City! Uy, grabe oh, nabot sila dali. Sige lang. Oh, sige lang mag-ani dali kay welcome kay mo dali sa Dipolog. Explore Dipolog. Puhon, explore the province of Zamboanga del Norte. Ha? Mo na among ipanghinambog sa inyo ha. But anyway, asa na itong mga taga Pagadian City! Uy, ito po dito. Uy, madungog ba ninyo sa layo? Madungog niya. O, sige na ba eh. Everybody say hey! Say ho! Isangit sa tanan! Kuyog ta! Oy, mga kakuyog kinay natin eh. But anyway, thank you so much for gracing the pagsalubong kay kani dili ni para kanamo para ni kanatong tanan. Alright? Sige, andaman gyud nato eh. And of course, we have Rocksteady live later on. Alright? Kinsa mga fans sa Rocksteady! Wow! And of course, we also have later on, bata pa din, pero grabe. We will give you also live today, you know, siya naman ang isa sa Army Child Prodigy, and of course, Theo Chu! Palakpakan nato! And of course, asa tong mga fans, Star Magic Artist, and the Singing Guapa ng Cebu, Kai Montinola! Oy, kasabay na ko na si Kai. Mayor, kasabay na ko, ni hawa lang ko. Kaya nga no, ni servisyo po ko dire, kaya kuyog ko. But anyway, and of course, we also have one of the finest and very respected. Siya lang naman ang celebrity vocal coach of the stars, so most of the stars in the Philippines. Alright? And of course, coming up, they will give you up. Right? This time, we'll give you Asia's Jewel, Alu Hall of Fame awardee. Live here with us, the celebrity vocal coach to the stars. Please help.